You've probably heard that investing in the stock market is complicated, but that's actually false. Yes, chart analysis and stock picking can be extremely complicated. What if I told you that understanding the S&P 500 could unlock the key to smarter investments, better financial decisions, and long-term growth for your portfolio? What is the S&P 500?
500 index.
Let's talk about the famous S&P 500.
It says that there are 3.4 trillion US dollars indexed to the S&P 500.
The S&P 500 is a stock market index that tracks the performance of 500 of the largest publicly traded companies in the United States. It's often seen as a benchmark for the overall health of the U.S. economy. Companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon are part of this index. Think of it as a snapshot of corporate America. Why is it a growth indicator? The S&P 500 is more than just a list of companies. Over time, it's been a powerful indicator of growth. Historically, it's delivered an average annual return of around 10%. That means if you invested $1,000 in an S&P 500 index fund 20 years ago, your investment would be worth about $7,000 today, all without picking individual stocks. 5 simple ways to leverage the S&P 500 for growth. Number 1. Invest in an S&P 500 index fund. Index funds like those offered by Vanguard or Fidelity let you invest in the entire S&P 500. It's a simple and low-cost way to diversify your portfolio and capture the market's growth. Number 2. Use dollar-cost averaging. Don't try to time the market. Instead, invest a fixed amount regularly. This strategy reduces the risk of market volatility and ensures consistent growth over time. Number 3. Understand sector rotations. The S&P 500 is divided into sectors like tech, healthcare, and finance. By understanding which sectors are leading or lagging, you can make smarter investment decisions. Number 4. Reinvest dividends. Number 5. Stay patient and consistent. The S&P 500 is a long-term play. Even during market downturns, it's proven to bounce back stronger. Think long-term and avoid panic selling. Over the last few years with S&P 500 searching to new all-time high, after new all-time high, many investors, Warren Buffett tells people to buy an S&P 500 index fund. A celebrity tech investor says they face a rude awakening, but he even took things a step further by wagering a now famous bet against 5 hedge funds to prove this strategy works. Buffett placed a $1 million bet against these seemingly cutting-edge stock pickers. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.